Hey guys, so I'm here at the Equestrian Apartments by Pearson. I've done some apartments that are by Pearson, so I'm here. This is in a really nice area. I just passed Trader Joe's, so it is really close. It is in the Henderson side, and it is a gated community. It is 2 floors, no elevator from what I can see. So I don't know anything about the property, so let's go check it out. Let's see what kind of fees they have. I know that any apartment by Pearson is pretty nice, and it looks like this location is pretty nice. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so that was the Equestrian by Pearson apartments here in Henderson. These are so freaking nice, you guys. Like, even though they're not new construction, but I just personally love the layout of these apartments. Like, the way that they look, they're just so massive inside. They definitely, you know, it's not like newer construction where it's smaller. But yeah, I honestly think that the pricing is actually pretty reasonable for where it's located as well. So let me go through the fees and deposits and then tell you the pricing. Okay, it says utility charges are based upon consumption and payable with rent. Square footage does not include 2-car garages, and renter's insurance is required, so you can literally bring your own to cover the apartment and then your stuff as well. Application fee per person is $60 non-refundable. Administration fee is $300 on approved credit. That is non-refundable. Let's say that, you know, your credit doesn't come back as good. It can just be like 1 month's rent plus the $300. This is optional. Garage rent 10 by 20 is $125 a month. Storage rent is 5 by 10. That's $25 a month. Again, those two things are optional, so you don't have to have that. If you are coming with a pet, one pet is going to be $300 non-refundable, and the pet rent for one pet is $30 a month. For 2 pets, the fee is going to be $500. That is non-refundable, and then the pet rent for 2 pets is going to be $50 a month. Now, if you do have an ESA pet, let's say once you have chosen that you want to live here, when you do the application online, you just have to submit the paperwork, obviously that your animal is an ESA pet. Then once that is verified, all that is going to be waived. Now, these apartments are all electric, so you will be responsible in creating the NV Energy account, and that is going to be billed separately. That's not with the company, like with the apartment. That's going to be solely with NV Energy. Again, you are responsible for insurance. You can obviously bring your own. I do lemonade. I pay about $8 a month, so it's not bad, and it covers the apartment and my stuff as well. Water, sewer, and trash is going to be based on usage. And then for these apartments, you guys, you do have to make 2.5 gross income. So he only showed me a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom model unit and a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom model unit. So the one that we didn't see, he says it is available on the 24th, and another one is available on July 8th. And these will be on the 2nd floor. So you got some apartments that are starting at $1,400, $1,410, and $1,415. This is again a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This is 712 square feet, and he said this one is on the 2nd floor, which has higher ceilings because it's kind of like angled. So that's the one I didn't see, but he said that it's all carpeted except the kitchen area and the bathroom. Now, this is the one that we did see, and I personally like this layout and the way that it looks. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is 1061 square feet. It is starting at $1,755, and this one is available June 21st. Then you have another 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This one's just a little bit smaller because you do get a patio. And this is 948 square feet. This one is available now. He's got a few, which ranges between $1,625 to $1,690. So it's not bad, and the layout, you guys, is really nice as well. Okay guys, so that was all the fees and deposits and the current pricing as well. So now let's see how far everything is out from these apartments. Okay guys, so you have a Walmart Supercenter, and that's going to be 12 minutes away. Okay, you have a Target that's going to be 7 minutes away or 9 minutes away. So you actually have 2 Targets that are pretty close by. It's up to you which one you want to go to. Costco is going to be 12 minutes away. Okay guys, so Sam's Club is going to be 10 minutes away, and that's next door to the Walmart Supercenter, and it's got Home Depot as well, and it's in a little plaza, so you do have some like fast food restaurants, coffee place, and then you're very close to the freeway. Albertson is going to be 11 minutes away or 12 minutes away, so same distance. It's up to you which one you want to go to. Alright guys, and Trader Joe is going to be a 6-minute drive. It is so close, it's literally just down the road from here. But this one does have a couple of other restaurants. You have Jollibee, you have a seafood city market, you have Daiso, you've got, yeah, you have all these like little restaurants as well. And banks and petrol stations as well. So you're very close to so many things that are necessities. Then you have a Smith's, and this is going to be a 10-minute walk or a 3 to 5 minute drive. Sprouts is going to be 7 minutes away or 11 minutes away. So your 7-minute one is your best bet. Winco is going to be 15 minutes away, and this is kind of like a discounted grocery store. I've been there a few times and I personally like it. I feel like I stock up on a lot of water when I'm there, so yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, you only have one Whole Foods in this neighborhood, you guys, and it is going to be 10 minutes away. Petco is going to be 7 minutes away, and that is next door to the Target and the Sprouts. It is in a little small plaza that have those 3 major stores. Or if you don't want to go to that one, you do have one that is 10 minutes away as well. It's just up to you which one you want to go to. And you have a PetSmart that is 9 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 24 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 25 minutes away. The airport is going to be 17 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 39 minutes away. Okay guys, so with hospitals or urgent cares, you do have an urgent care that is a 10-minute walk or a 3-minute drive. So it's very close to these apartments. Okay guys, and by any point you need to use like public transportation, you do have a few bus stops. One is going to be a 10-minute walk or a 9-minute walk, but you just don't have some that are like right in front of the apartment, so you do have to walk it. Okay guys, so even though the apartments do offer EV charging points, there is some available outside the apartments as well. So you do have one here that is a 7-minute drive or another 7-minute drive. So they're pretty close by, and as you can see, all the green, that is for you to charge your electric car. Okay guys, and then with the crime map and the sex offenders, I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a voiceover. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I found 26 offenders in 20 locations, but they're actually literally far away from this area. They're across that road that says 146. That is the St. Rose Parkway Road, which is far away from these apartments. There are 0 living in these apartments. Alright guys, so with the crime count, it's going to be 0 homicides, 0 sex offenses, 7 aggravated assault, 0 robberies, 10 burglaries, 12 larceny, 9 motor vehicle theft, 2 embezzlement. This updates every 2 weeks and the zip code is 89052. 4 drugs and narcotics, 1 arson, 0 forgery, 9 destruction of property, 1 stolen property, 2 fraud, 0 extortion, and 0 bribery. Alright guys, so that was it. This is the Equestrian Apartments here in Henderson by Pearson, and the guy who toured the place with me, his name is Gavin, so definitely let him know that I sent you. Super friendly, super professional. He showed me the 2 models, and then he explained a few things as well that I was asking him. I personally like this area, and I personally like the Apartments by Pearson. I think that the quality is pretty spot on, and yeah, the area to me is really good, and the pricing is pretty reasonable. Like for the location where it's at, I feel that it's super safe. It's very like family oriented, and you have so many like stores, petrol stations, banks. You've got everything pretty close by. I mean, can you walk to some of them? No. But you do have like Domino's across the street from these apartments, so some you can walk it to. I feel like you can walk it to Trader Joe as well, but in this heat I don't think you want to. It's just starting to get hot. So but yeah, I honestly don't have anything bad to say about them, you guys. Again, they're not newer construction, but I just feel like they're just a lot bigger than the newer construction. Both of them are real nice, you know, newer, older apartments. I feel like it's just up to you, you know, your taste and everything. So me personally, I like newer construction. I know some people like the older construction, so it's totally up to you, but I'm here to offer as much information as possible. So I'm just going to show you around the complex, and I will show you like what's outside as well. So Trader Joe's close by and I need to get there, so I will show you that area as well. Alright guys, so that is it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, you guys, and then turn on that post notification bell. That way as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. Alright, so let's go.